Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I can translate my existing video content into many other languages in just a few minutes. I'll be using a tool called Dubverse AI, and what Dubverse AI allows me to do is to take my existing native speaking video content and overdub it with many different foreign languages and many different types of voices. These aren't subtitles, it's actually overdubbed content. Now, why would I want to do this? Well, when you translate your videos into other languages, you can widen your audience and introduce yourself to new markets who speak those different languages. It also gives you a better chance to go a little bit viral because many more people will be able to understand and watch your video content. So let's just dive right into Dubverse AI and I'll show you how it works. So I'm just going to hit the Get Dubbing button here on Dubverse AI, and I can just copy and paste the URL of an existing YouTube video and then hit Next. Then I can select my target language. There's a lot of different languages in this drop-down menu. Let's select Spanish United States. And then I'm going to preview the different voices just by hitting the play button and listening to the demos.
Mi nombre es Gabriela, puedes contar conmigo para ayudarte a llegar a más personas.
Mi nombre es Inés, estoy aquí para apoyar tus esfuerzos en llegar a una audiencia más amplia. Mi nombre es Clara, con mi ayuda puedes expandir tu presencia ante el público.
And then once I find a voice I like, all I have to do is hit the plus sign. If I wanted to add other languages, I can do that as well. And once I'm satisfied, I just hit Let's Dub. Then we just have to sit and wait for these dubs to process. Guys, while these videos are processing, I should let you know that if you're interested in Dubverse AI, you can snap it up on sale right now at AppSumo, which I will link to down below. AppSumo is a daily deals website with tons of online tools for creativity and productivity, all at discounted rates. But right now they're running their annual Black Friday sale, so this is definitely the time to check out any of those tools on the AppSumo site. AppSumo is the sponsor of this video, but they've been a good friend of mine for a very long time, and they have a lot of great products on there, so do not sleep on those deals. All right, let's check out these videos. It looks like they're done processing. If you hit this button here for Open in Studio, you can see a side-by-side log of the video content in its native language and its translated language. Now, if you speak the new language and you want to modify the script, you can do that in this window and then just hit the process video button at the top right of the screen to reprocess the translation. But I don't speak Dutch, so I'm just going to accept this translation as it is. Once you're satisfied, you can just download your project as an MP4 file, a WAV file, which is audio only, or an SRT file, which is the closed captions in the new language on this video. One tip I have for you here is that the video you download from Dubverse might not be the exact same resolution as the video you originally created. So if maintaining that resolution is important to you, I would recommend downloading the WAV file and then in your own editing software, plug that new audio in under your original video so you can export it with the settings that are important to you. Right now, I'm just going to download the MP4 file, and I could upload this new MP4 file to my YouTube channel and reach a Dutch audience, thereby expanding my viewership.
Ook boordevol functies, waaronder een voice-over tool.
Now with Dubverse, you're not just limited to videos on YouTube. You can browse your video files locally on your computer or an external drive, or you can access videos on Vimeo. In addition to foreign language dubbing, you can also get translated subtitles from Dubverse AI. Just upload your video, select your language, and then you can just download an SRT file. If you really just need those subtitles, doing it this way is a faster process than generating an MP4 or WAV file. And there's also a text-to-speech function. Just type in the script in your native language and then generate an AI voice in a different language. That's a pretty unique feature. I think most of the text-to-speech tools I've reviewed on this channel do not go between different languages. That's something very unique. So for me, Dubverse AI is a win. If you guys are interested in it, don't forget, I will link to it down below. Don't forget to check out AppSumo's Black Friday sale. Such good deals once a year. They're famous for it. Don't miss out. You guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you again.